Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a little bit different unboxing from USA Gold, cigarette company. This was a free thing. I signed up on the website. I registered for free, and within 6 weeks I got to pick out my Zippo lighter, and it's free. If you sign up too, www.usagold.com, and say that you got your information from whatever, let's say, carton cigarettes that my parents got. I just looked at it and I signed up for it for free, and they sent coupons for my parents too, and I picked out a free Zippo and an unboxing. Just rip it. I don't care. It's not even like it's a good box. It took 6 weeks actually for this, but not in real. Just a little fun. I don't know which one I got. It was either Magic 8 Ball or Magic 8 Ball I got. It's double-sided. Let's see what this says. Limited edition lighter. $60 value. You can exchange it. I think they actually put fluid in it. Let's actually try it out. I think it's just a spark. No, they didn't fill it. I'm not allowed to. But yeah, so if you sign up, it is really real. It's not a joke or anything, and it's free.